Hello there, and welcome to another easy tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more. And if you need a tutorial on something, leave it in the comments. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to link Ubisoft and Steam. Start by going to the link below and click on Download Ubisoft Connect. This is the official Ubisoft launcher. After the download is complete, log into your Ubisoft account. After logging in, go to Settings and choose Other. Next, select Remind me of account linking next time I launch a Steam game. Now close off Ubisoft Connect fully, and if you had it open, Steam too. When done so, open or reopen Steam, and search for any game you have installed on Ubisoft in the Steam store. I will use Trackmania as an example, as this is a free game, so any of you can use this one for free. When you found the game, install it once more but on Steam. This won't take long as it is a small game. So, I now have the same game on Ubisoft and on Steam. Launch the game you've just installed on Steam. You might have to log into your Ubisoft account again, but afterwards this window will pop up. Click on Link Accounts, and your Ubisoft and Steam account will be linked. When I return to my Ubisoft library, you can see I now have two Trackmanias, one from Ubisoft itself and one from Steam. You can now delete one and play it on the other. Your Steam and Ubisoft accounts will stay linked. Thanks for watching, and let me know which easy tutorial you want next.